Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the setup and installation of Google Wi-Fi. If you're looking to enhance your home network with a reliable and easy-to-use system, Google Wi-Fi is a great choice. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the Google Wi-Fi. Inside the box, you'll find the Google Wi-Fi point, a power adapter, and an Ethernet cable. The Google Wi-Fi point has a sleek design and will blend well with any home decor. Next, plug the primary Google Wi-Fi point into a power outlet. Using the provided Ethernet cable, connect it to your modem. This primary Wi-Fi point will act as the central hub for your entire network, ensuring stable and efficient internet connectivity. Now, download the Google Home app on your smartphone. This essential app will walk you through each step of the setup process, making it simple and straightforward to get your network running. Launch the Google Home app on your smartphone and log in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial for accessing all the features and completing the setup process seamlessly. Tap Setup Device within the Google Home app and carefully follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your new Google Wi-Fi network, ensuring a smooth and successful setup of your home internet system. If you have multiple Google Wi-Fi points, the app will guide you on where to place them for optimal coverage. Plug them into power outlets and follow the app's instructions to add them to your network. Once all Wi-Fi points are connected, the app will complete the setup process and optimize your network for best performance. This may take a few minutes, so please be patient and allow it to finish. Once the setup is finished, it's wise to test your network to confirm everything is working as expected. The Google Home app offers a built-in speed test feature, allowing you to measure your internet speed and ensure optimal performance and coverage. If you run into any problems or need assistance, our expert team is available to help. Contact us at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. And that's it. Your Google Wi-Fi network is now set up and ready to use. Enjoy seamless internet coverage throughout your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.